Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of health and wellness. Ever wonder how your gut health impacts your brain? It's a topic that's gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. You might be surprised to learn that the two are closely connected through something called the gut-brain axis. This connection is more intricate and vital than most people realize. Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Your gut and brain are in constant communication, exchanging information that affects your overall well-being. Your gut and brain are in constant communication. This isn't just a one-way street, it's a dynamic, two-way conversation. They send signals back and forth via pathways like the vagus nerve and through chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. These pathways and chemicals are crucial for maintaining balance in your body. These chemicals play a huge role in controlling your mood, focus, and emotions. When they're in balance, you feel good. When they're not, you can feel off. But what happens when your gut isn't in top shape? The consequences can be more far-reaching than you might think. If you're stressed, taking antibiotics, or making poor food choices, it can lead to problems like brain fog, anxiety, and fatigue. These issues can snowball, affecting your daily life and overall happiness. That's because your gut bacteria produce and regulate essential neurotransmitters. These tiny organisms play a big role in how you feel and function. When the gut lining is damaged, a condition often referred to as leaky gut, toxins can enter the bloodstream, causing inflammation that affects your brain. This inflammation can lead to a host of mental and physical issues. Stress is another big player in this game. It's not just a mental state, it has physical repercussions too. Mental stress can change how your gut moves, lower your immune defenses, and mess with digestion. This can create a vicious cycle where stress and gut issues feed into each other. Conversely, gut problems can send stress signals to your brain, leading to mental health issues. It's a two-way street where each side can impact the other. So how do you keep your gut and brain happy? Start with your diet. What you eat can either nourish or harm your gut bacteria. Eating whole foods, getting enough fiber, and avoiding processed junk can help your gut bacteria thrive. These simple changes can make a big difference. Intermittent fasting, fermented foods like yogurt or sauerkraut, and using antibiotics sparingly all support a healthy gut lining and microbiome. These practices can help maintain the delicate balance in your gut. Don't forget about sleep and exercise. These are often overlooked but are crucial for gut health. Regular movement improves gut motility and reduces inflammation. Exercise is a natural way to keep your gut and brain in sync. Quality sleep helps regulate the gut microbiome and minimizes stress responses. A good night's sleep can do wonders for your gut health. In a nutshell, your gut acts like a second brain. It's a complex system that needs care and attention. Taking care of it with mindful eating, rest, and stress reduction can sharpen your thinking, uplift your mood, and make you feel more balanced overall. It's all about creating harmony between your gut and brain. So next time you're feeling off, don't just focus on your brain. Take a look at your gut too. The solution might be closer than you think. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and take care of your gut.